Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your personal data from ChatGPT. So there are a few things that you can do to reduce the amount of information ChatGPT has on you, and I'm going to go over this list in the order of most impactful. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign into ChatGPT as I've done so here, and we're going to want to open the settings panel. We can find this by clicking on our profile at the bottom left hand side of our screen and then clicking on settings. So here we're going to be able to tweak a lot of the settings that is available to us. And for now, let's start with personalization. So one way ChatGPT stores your personal data is through memories. And if you scroll all the way down, you're going to be able to see the memory section. So if you'd like, you can turn this feature off. You can also turn off its ability to reference your chat history. But most importantly, we're interested in the manage button right here. So what this does is it's going to open up a window of all the memories that ChatGPT has saved about you. So for example, I asked it to remember a particular preference of mine, and as you can see here, is interested in sports and would like this preference to be considered in future conversations. So depending on how often you use memories, you're going to have more personal data stored in ChatGPT's memory. And you can go ahead, click on manage, click on this settings or menu button at the right side of each memory, and then you can click on delete. And that's one way of removing your personal data. The next thing we can do is move over to data controls, and here you're going to see a few options. So you can improve the model for everyone, and what this does is it allows ChatGPT to access your chats and use that for training its newer model. So as you can see, I already have that option turned off. Another thing you can do is to click on the marketing privacy option here at the bottom and turn off these options. What that does is basically it just collects marketing information about ads, etc. There's also the location setting, which is by default off, I believe, and that's another personally identifiable piece of information that you can restrict. Lastly, we're going to want to move over to the account section, and one way of removing your personal data altogether is to just entirely delete your account, which you can do so here. Go to account, then you're going to see this option that says delete account. So you can click on delete there and permanently delete all your account and all your personal data and have it totally wiped from ChatGPT's servers. So I've shown you a few ways of removing your personal data from ChatGPT. I highly encourage you to take some steps to limit how much these big corporations collect. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.